What is a first aid kit? A first aid kit is a small box or bag that has important tools and items to help treat small injuries like cuts, scrapes, or bruises. What is a first aid kit? Example: if you get a scrape on your knee while playing, a first aid kit can help clean it and make it feel better. What is a first aid kit? Visual tip: show a picture of a basic first aid kit, so kids can see what it looks like and recognize it if they need one. Important items in a first aid kit. Bandages. Bandages are sticky strips that cover small cuts or scrapes to keep them clean and help them heal. Bandages. Example: if you get a small cut on your finger, putting a bandage on it will protect it from dirt and germs. Antiseptic wipes or cream. These help clean a wound to kill germs that can cause infection. Antiseptic wipes or cream. Example: before putting a bandage on, use an antiseptic wipe on the cut to make sure it's clean. Gauze pads. Gauze pads are soft, absorbent squares that cover larger cuts and help stop bleeding. Gauze pads. Example: if someone has a bigger scrape on their knee, place a gauze pad over it before taping it down. Medical tape. Medical tape is sticky tape that holds gauze pads in place. Medical tape. Example: after placing a gauze pad on a cut, use medical tape to secure it so it doesn't fall off. Tweezers. Tweezers are small tools used to remove things like splinters from the skin. Tweezers. Example: if a child has a small splinter from a wooden playground, gently use tweezers to remove it. Cold pack. A cold pack is a small bag that gets cold when squeezed, and it helps reduce swelling and pain. Cold pack. Example: if you bump your knee, applying a cold pack can help make it feel better and reduce swelling. Scissors. Scissors in a first aid kit are small and used to cut tape or gauze pads to the right size. Scissors. Example: if a piece of gauze is too big, scissors help trim it to fit the injury area.